Hello everyone and welcome to the How to Draw and Paint channel. Today we will be drawing Tigger from Winnie the Pooh. Don't forget to pause the video if you need a little extra time. We are going to start out with some light sketches and just draw simple shapes. First we are going to start with a circle for the head. Next, draw a smaller circle here for the nose. Now let's draw this curvy shape for Tigger's chin, and don't worry, this doesn't have to be perfect. We are just getting the basic shapes down and can erase later. Now I am just adding a little more detail to the nose as I draw this upside-down triangle shape. Let's draw this shape for the face. Now let's draw the ear. Next, we can draw this bean shape for the body. Make sure it is curved. Now I am outlining a little more detail to the face and drawing these little curves for the eyes and creases above them. Now it's time to draw the mouth. Start with this curve shape. Next, draw a U shape for the top of the mouth and add a curve at the end. Next, draw another U shape for the bottom part of the mouth. Now draw a curve for the tongue and fill the rest in. Now I am just drawing these little curve points for some fur at the top and drawing the eyebrows. Now we are going to start on the body. Let's start with this oval for the arm. Next, draw this curved oval for the forearm and hand. Next, draw an N shape for the legs slightly touching the hand, and then draw this curved line for the foot. Now we are going to start on the other leg, but stop before drawing the foot. Next, draw this shape for the other arm, but don't forget the thumb. Now we can draw the foot, but make sure it touches the tip of the hand and connect the bottom of the leg to the body. Remember, you can erase your lines if you need to. Next, we are going to draw some squiggly lines for the tail. Remember to draw light so that you can erase easier. Once you are satisfied with the shapes, let's go ahead and outline the drawing a bit darker, while also adding in some detail on the feet and body. Remember to pause the video if you need some more time. Next is the fun part. Let's draw Tigger's stripes and further these details. Finally, we can darken all of our outlines for the final drawing. Now is the time to clean up any loose sketches. And that's all, just don't forget to colour. I hope you had fun drawing with me, and thank you so much for watching. Remember to press the like button and subscribe for more videos.